Hi guys, today I am going to perform a psychological experiment in front of you, and this experiment was conducted by Daniel Rhysberd. So just tell me, how many of you think that you have a pretty good memory?
Maybe.
Okay, maybe. So let's have a test. What will happen in this test is I'll read 24 sentences in front of you now, and you just need to digest these 24 sentences into your mind, that what these sentences are all about. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. Sentence first. The girl broke the window on the porch. The tree in front of the yard shaded the man who was smoking his pipe. The hill was steep. The cat, running from the barking dog, jumped on the table. The tree was tall. The old car climbed the hill. The cat, running from the dog, jumped on the table. The girl who lives next door broke the window on the porch. The car pulled the trailer. The scared cat was running from the barked dog. The girl lives next door. The tree shaded the man who was smoking the pipe. The scared cat jumped on the table. The girl who lives next door broke the large window. The man was smoking his pipe. The old car climbed the steep hill. The large window was on the porch. The tall tree was in the front yard. The car, pulling the trailer, climbed the steep hill. The cat jumped on the table. The tall tree in the front yard shaded the man. The car, pulling the trailer, climbed the hill. The dog was barking. And the last one is, the window was large. So, as you have seen, all these 24 sentences was of three situations, and you would have pretty well memorized them. So now what you need to do is, I'll read another set of sentences, and among that, and those sentences may be brand new to you, or it may be the repetition of what I have told just now. So what you need to do is, if the sentence is a repetition of those, then you just need to put your thumbs up, and if you think that the sentence is a brand new one, then you need to thumb down. Okay, and so shall we start? Okay, so as per the Roman tradition, we'll keep the thumb like this initially. Okay, first one. Okay, only the car climbed the hill. The girl who lives next door broke the window. The old man who was smoking his pipe climbed the steep hill. The tree was in the front yard. The scared cat, running from the barking dog, jumped on the table. The window was on the porch. The barking dog jumped on the old car in the front yard. The tree in the front yard shaded the man. The car was running from the dog. The old car pulled the trailer. The tall tree in the front yard shaded the old car. The cat was running from the dog. The tall tree shaded the man who was smoking his pipe. The scared cat was running from the dog. The old car pulling the trailer climbed the hill. And the last one is the girl who lives next door broke the large window on the porch. Okay, guys, so I've just conducted an experiment, and as we have seen, the results here were that all the sentences which I spoke after particular interval was completely new to them, and the results were like they had some of the sentences. I mean, they interpreted some of the sentences in a way which I spoke to them initially. So so this is the concept of fake memory, of false memory. So what happens is that whenever I speak a new sentences, they just relate the mental and the visual images of that sentences with what they have perceived initially with the initial sentences. But that's not the case. So this is in this way, this experiment can be used to check the false memory and to recollect the other person's perception of the whole world. So this was really a fantastic job conducted by classical psychologist Daniel Rhysberd.